magandang afternoon. So here is a shepherd's nest. As you can see, there are still the feathers on it. So this is before. Then I'll try to pull out or remove all the feathers from the nest. Then I will show you the result after I clean or removing those feathers. So it is very easy to remove, guys, if you know the technique, or I mean the process of doing such serious job or task. So yan. Okay, I will let you show later on. Yes, na nilisan natin kanina, guys, di ba? So easy, simple. So as you can see, na separate po ito, ito. Kasi ang original niya din ay may konting ano na din, nagbe-break out na. Nagse-separate na 'yon. So ayan. So clean. So still pwede pa natin linisan ng additional kung pwede pang tanggalin yung mga kung may mga itim-itim. Pwede pa yan. Thanks for watching.